The 2014 Toyota Camry. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 6-speed automatic transmission. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just 1 previous owner. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.